The Filter Layers box is located at the top of the Table of Contents panel and can be used to find any layer by name from the over 340 available in NavigateLA. The filter works on both layer names and group layer names. In this first example, we want to find a layer that displays street lights. To do this, we simply search the term street lights in the Filter Layers box, which results in a single layer under the Bureau of Street Lighting group layer. Notice that the layer is disabled and cannot be toggled on. This means it's not visible at the current map scale, and you'll have to zoom past the layer's scale threshold to activate it. You can use the click wheel on your mouse or the zoom in tool to do this. Also note that non-relevant layers are hidden and not visible in the layers list. Now that the layer is enabled, you can toggle it on so that it appears on the map. When you select the streetlight feature, the report window opens and displays related information, such as the light's identification number, type, and wattage. To return to the full list of layers, you must clear your search by clicking the X in the Filter Layers box. Otherwise, you'll only be able to see layers matching your search term. It's also worth noting that if you clear a search term, any layer left on will remain on, and you'll need to search it again in order to toggle it off. If you need a refresher on how to use the Filter Layers box, click the Help button on the top right corner of the Table of Contents panel to refresh your memory. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen. eng.navigate@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.